And with numerous flood warnings across the region after more than a month's worth of rainfall and much more to come, you might want to watch the forecast later.
More devastation, and Shefali's here with us now. Chef, it feels like we're reporting on this almost on a weekly basis. How serious is flash flooding events in our region?
It's pretty bad, actually. I mean, usually this is a 1 in 5 to 10 year event, but I think in the future the extremes are going to get worse and these events will become more frequent. But as we've heard there, the rainfall we had over the past couple of days, which has been over a month's worth in some cases, and it was worse in the west than the east, has led to record river levels, alarmingly so, at Reerbrook in Shropshire and Kington in Herefordshire. And we've got more rain to come later this week. It's probably not going to be as bad as the rainfall we saw yesterday, but also just to mention, this time last year, 3-day period, we saw similar extremes, quite record levels of rainfall.
There's a pattern forming.
It is, yeah.
We'll get more from you later. Thanks, Shefali.
Okay.
Well, on to most of the weather, whatever it is.
Absolutely. I'm sure people were breathing a sigh of relief today when they saw the sunshine. It looked absolutely glorious. What a wonderful photograph this is from Bewdley in Worcestershire. But the mist in the mornings is always magical so long as it promises some sunshine by the afternoon. It's been so disheartening to see the rain gushing down the roads and record river levels. But we have got more rain on the way later this week. In fact, it'll arrive as early as tomorrow evening, go overnight, and then we've got some stormy weather arriving on Sunday as well, with quite a deep area of low pressure pushing it in from the west, from the Atlantic. But you can see more beautiful sunshine here in Bridgnorth. But these are rainfall figures for the past day or so, and we've seen over a month's worth in Herefordshire, in Shobden, the average being about 84.4 millimetres. And of course, the record rainfall figures we had last month for September at Shawbury didn't help really. It's just meant the ground was saturated and meant a greater risk of flooding. But as I say, we have got more rain on the way with low pressure dominating. We've currently got this ridge of high pressure with us, but we've got this warm sector crossing the country tomorrow, and so we're still in the warm air, and it's not too bad into the weekend either. But our temperatures today up to about 16, 17 Celsius. It will be cooler overnight because our skies have been clear, and they're going to be clear during the first part of tonight, which will send our values down to single figures as opposed to 12 and 13, which is what we saw last night. So 6 to 7 Celsius. We'll get some patches of mist and fog developing as well, quite dense in places, which could be slow to clear through the morning tomorrow. But once it does, we'll start to see some sunshine appearing, and it'll always be sunniest in the east through the day and driest here as well, with the clouds thickening up from the west and bringing in some light patchy rain towards the end of the day. Top temperatures of 14 to 16 Celsius. The breeze is going to be picking up as well, and then we've got that heavier rain arriving tomorrow evening and overnight. And here we could see some rumbles of thunder. It could be heavy locally, and it'll still be with us during Saturday morning, but clearing to showers and a bit of sunshine.
Shefali, thank you. Stay safe if you...